3 comets traveling through the galaxy passes through our solar system every 42 years, 60 years and 330 years respectively. The last time they passed our solar system was in the year 1641. Wow, that is like many years ago, huh? When will they pass through our solar system together again? Alright? So this is the thing. For the first comet, right? First comet, it passes through the solar system, it passes through the solar system every 42 years, right? So 42 years will be the next one, and then subsequently it will be the 84th year, and then subsequently it will be 126 years later, and then so on. Second comet, 60, 120, right? The next one will be 180 years, 240 and so on. Third comet is like every 330 years. So first time 330 years later, 660 years, 990 years. So as you can see, the comets are passing through at all different years later. Okay, and they are all multiples of their own number. Okay, multiples of 42, multiples of 60, multiples of 330. So there will be one time that they will all pass through again together at the same number of years. So this will be a common number. In fact, this will be the lowest common multiple. Why multiple? Because you are dealing with the multiples of these respective numbers. So in other words, what is the LCM of 42, 60 and 330? That is a question. So to find the LCM, we can express each of the number in terms of their prime index notations. Okay, so 42 is equals to what? 60 is equals to what? 330 is equals to what in terms of prime index notations? Okay, now to do this, we need to use the ladder method. Okay, so what is the ladder method? For example, for 42, you put 42 here, and on the left side, they are all prime numbers. Take note, on this side, we're going to fill it up with all the prime numbers only until we reach a number of 1. Okay, so what is the smallest prime number that you can divide 42 by? That will be 2. Right, so divide by 2, and then you can get 21. 21 cannot divide by 2. The next prime number you have is 3. You can divide by 3 to get 7. 7 divided by 7, you achieve 1. Finish. So 42 is 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 3 times 7. So friends, do the same thing for 60 and 330 as well. Okay? So do the same thing for 60 and 200 and 330. So let's do it for 60 in blue. 60. Ladder method, divide by 2, you get 30. Further divide by 2, you get 15. And then 15 cannot divide by 2, next prime number is 3. I can divide by 3 to get 5. 5 divide by further 5 to get 1, you stop here. So what is 60 equals to? 2 square times 3 times 5. 2 square times 3 times 5. Okay, and last one we do is for 330. Okay, so 330 you can divide by 2. Oh, you get 165. 165 cannot divide by 2, but you can divide by 3. 55. 55 now you cannot even divide by 3. Next prime number to try is 5. 55 divided by 5 is 11. 11 divided by further 11, you get 1. So what is 330? 330 is 2 times 3 times 5 times 11. 2 times 3 times 5 times 11. And then we find the LCM of these 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the easy technique to use. Compare the prime numbers. And for LCM, we select the highest power. So 2, 2 square and 2. 2 square is the highest, so we put 2 square here. 3, 3, 3, they are all as high, so we just put a 3. 5, 5, there is no 5 here. Which is the highest possible powers of 5? It's just 5. 7, no 7, no 7. The highest possible is a 7. 11, no 11, no 11. So out of the 3, the highest possible 11 power is just 11 to the power of 1. So times 11. And then press the calculator. 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7 times 11. Wow. 4,620 years later. So the first time they passed through the solar system was the year 1641. When is the next time it will happen again? 1641. Add to 4620. Year 6261. This, my friends, is the answer for this question.